Listen up, because when the mercury starts climbing, you don't want to be the guy guessing which box to shove in your window. I spent 17 years in the HVAC trenches after working as a nuclear power electrician, and if there is one thing I've learned, it's that technical specs on a page don't always equal comfort in the bedroom. Today, we're putting two heavyweights in the ring, the Crosley CATS06A1 and the Friedrich CCV08A10A. First, let's talk about the bones of these machines. This is where we see a massive shift in design. The Friedrich CCV08A10A is a modern U-shape unit, a total game changer that lets you drop your window right through the middle of the chassis. This keeps the noisy compressor outside and lets you actually use your window while the unit is installed. On the other side, the Crosley CATS06A1 is a traditional standard window mount workhorse. It's a solid, fixed chassis design that gets the job done the old-fashioned way, but you aren't going to be opening that window until the season is over. Now, let's talk about the engine under the hood. And this is where my electrical background kicks in. The Friedrich is a different breed because it uses an inverter compressor. In the nuclear world, we hate hard starts, that massive surge of power when a motor kicks on. Standard units like the Crosley have single speed compressors. They're either 100% on or 100% off. Every time that Crosley kicks on, you're getting a spike in your power draw. The Friedrich inverter, however, ramps up and down to find a sweet spot and stays there. That's why the Friedrich boasts a massive 15.1 EER compared to the Crosley's 12.1. Over a long, hot summer, that Friedrich is going to be significantly kinder to your wallet and a lot quieter on your ears. On the utility side, the Friedrich usually retails between $499 and $549. You're paying for that U-shape engineering and smart tech, which includes built-in Wi-Fi and voice control, features this specific Crosley model just doesn't have. The Crosley CATS06A1 is the budget play, coming in around $280 to $310. It's raw cooling power for half the price, which is hard to ignore if you're just trying to survive a heat wave on a budget. Before we get to the final round, remember, your AC is like a vacuum. It's pulling every bit of dust and pet dander in your house across those coils. If you don't wash that filter every 2 weeks, I don't care how much you paid, it's going to freeze up and leave you sweating. Let's look at the peace of mind factor, the warranty. Crosley gives you a standard 1-year unit warranty, but backs the compressor for a solid 10 years. That's a massive long-term bet on the heart of the machine. Friedrich offers a 5-year limited warranty on the compressor and sealed system. It's a bit more balanced, but that 10-year compressor tag on the Crosley is a serious statement of durability for a budget unit. So, who takes the trophy? If you are looking for the absolute best in modern comfort, the Friedrich CCV08A10A is the clear winner. The U-shape design is a total revolution for window ACs, and when you pair that with the 15.1 EER inverter technology and smart features, it's the superior piece of engineering. It's built better, runs smarter, and lets you keep your window view. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.